wasn't looking at me though. Like I wasn't, like we weren't just playing together. Oh, he doesn't get. Alright, buddy. I'll just go straight on past you. Could barely keep up with the M2. Really, he was pulling away from me easily. This bike only has half horsepower. It's not going to keep up with the M2. Full horsepower though, I think we had him. I think we had him with this bike at full horsepower. Just for reference, for people that don't know, I think restricted. This bike is currently running 49 horsepower, and it can probably top out at just under 100, I think. Well, that was fun. That was fun, wasn't it? Enjoyed myself. I don't know about you guys. I liked it.